Hi everybody, it's Evie with Wonderland Adventure Company, and I am your travel planning expert for all things Disney. Today we have a special treat for you. We are going to take you on Alice in Wonderland and show you all of the updates that they've done. This is actually a ride that's very near and dear to my heart, so I'm super excited to take you on this journey with me. So without further ado, let's get going.
My adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell! Down, down, down.
Oh, look into the white rabbit. Whoa! See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Wait! Please!
He went this way. No, that way. Oh, I need a really important thing. Okay, just hello, goodbye.
This would be a curious place to find the rabbit.
Lost, perchance? I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait! Don't go, please!
Could try this way.
Lose his head! Since this is the thought we dread, we're painting the roses red!
Don't tell the Queen what you have seen!
Or say that's what we said, that we're painting the roses red! Not pink, not blue, not
The Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen always wins.
With their head! Off with their head! Chop them!
Goodness!
I need to do some kayak lifting too.
We'll have to clean this up.
I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, and check out our other videos.